Hey all, welcome to Programming Knowledge. Hope you're all doing good. This is a tag tutorial of the Simple Pen app by using Kivy. So in the last two tutorials, we have learned how to create a simple pen tab using Kivy library, and like by just clicking on a button, you will be able to view the ellipse. Along with that, while moving down the cursor, you will be able to create the lines between those ellipses. So we have seen how to create ellipses like with color yellow by defining 1 comma 1 comma 0 as yellow code. So what we are going to see in this tutorial is we are going to create random colors of ellipses. By just clicking on multiple clicks, you'll be able to see different colors coming down, and also you'll be able to like draw the lines. So let's now start off with like writing the code for creating random colors of ellipses and drawing the lines between them. The code is same as we did it for the last one, as the same like we are taking out color, ellipses, line, widget, and app. No, what we require is we need a random. So we are going to import random from random at first. Here we go. We have imported the random. Now coming down here, we created the class like we defined the method as we did in like in the last tutorials we did it right. So now before hitting the self canvas, we need to define the color. So I'm going to define the color, which is I'm going to set as random as I need the random colors, right? So I'm going to define 3 times of random. There we go. I'm doing some space. Okay, one more space, and I'm going to define one more random. As we have defined the random, now here the code color as per the last tutorial is 1 comma 1 comma 0, which is yellow. No, we need to define something like random colors should come. So in order to do that, I'm going to provide asterisk of color, star of color, which means random color. By using this star of color, random colors will be displayed. The other code is the same as we have said. B is equal to 30, and we have defined the ellipse with position as like touch dot x and touch dot y minus d by 2, and size as d comma d, which is 30 comma 30, and touch dot ud for the line. So like this is for the like line part, and the main class and define the method. So everything is same. We just added the 3 things. We just imported the random and defined the random for the color, and inside the color code we defined like star of color, which defines like for the random colors to be displayed on the screen. Now let's go ahead and run the program and check. Here we go. The program is ran. Here we go. Let's know. I'm going to click one at a time. Pink color, green color, as you can see, different light green color. So purple color, blue color, yellow color, all the different colors are coming in. So here we go. We see all the different colors along with the lines. I'm going to create the lines in between them. So all the lines are coming. So here we go. This is how like by using random and defining the color as random, followed by the color code as asterisk color, these things are coming in. Other than that, all the codings are the same for getting the ellipse. So this is how we create the different random ellipses along with the lines. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining with Programming Knowledge. Hope the session was clear. Bye guys.